You're gonna get shot, okay?
I want to get shot.
On May 31st, 2025, at about 9:10 a.m., San Diego police received a 911 call about a man standing in the middle of the street next to his car, blocking traffic in the 4400 block of Coronado Avenue. The man, 32-year-old Jacob Epple, was confronting random community members, saying he wanted to die.
What's going on?
We were just sitting on our deck out front, and some guy, he's in a black Mercedes, from this, I don't know if he's dark-skinned, he may be Hispanic. He pulled up in front of our house and just started talking schmack to us, and he told us he wants to die, and he's sitting there and he hasn't moved. He's making traffic go around him in the middle of the street.
Officers were en route when the caller said Epple drove away and stopped at the intersection of Coronado Avenue and Guizot Street. Officer Miranda made contact with Epple and requested additional officers to respond.
Hey, what the fuck are you doing, man?
I want to die. Shoot me, please, I want to fucking die.
Hey, get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get the fuck out of the car. Get out of the car. Let me see your fucking hands. Let me see your hands. 614 John, I got one at gunpoint. He's asking me to shoot him. He's going westbound Coronado. He's taking off. It's gonna be a white male going westbound Coronado.
Epple ran multiple stop signs as he sped through residential areas with Officer Miranda in pursuit. He was then involved in a traffic collision at Sunset Cliffs Boulevard and Pescadero Drive. Officer Miranda exited his patrol car, equipped with a less lethal taser. Epple, armed with a knife, approached the officer before re-entering his vehicle and driving southbound on Sunset Cliffs Boulevard.
We're not at Orchard and Sunset Cliffs, going southbound on Sunset Cliffs. And we got a TC at Pescadero and Sunset Cliffs. He's stopping Pescadero, Sunset Cliffs. He's got a knife. Hey, let me...
Still image from the previous body-worn camera video showing the knife in Epple's right hand.
The next units check the Jeep. Hey, let me see your fucking hands! Let me see your fucking hands! Hey, back up, back up, back up.
Let me see your hands.
Flores, back the fuck up. Let me see your fucking hands. We're not gonna shoot you. Get on your fucking knees.
Stop. Kill me. Stop.
Get on your fucking knees. I'm gonna shoot you, motherfucker. Get on your fucking knees. Get on your fucking knees. Hey, let me see your fucking hands. I'm gonna shoot you, motherfucker. Get on the fucking ground. Drop the knife.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Taser deployed! Drop the knife!
Stop.
Drop the knife!
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife!
Drop the knife.
Hey, back up, back up. Let's get some distance. Let's get some distance.
Oh, yeah. Drop the knife. Back up.
Hey, we don't want to hurt you, okay? Listen.
Why?
Follow my commands.
Stop.
Hey, let me give commands.
Back up.
Hey.
Stop.
We want to help you out, okay?
Then leave me alone or kill me.
If you approach us with that knife,
Fucking kill me.
hey, he can't drop it if he's being tased. Relax. Let me give commands. Hey, we want to help you out, okay? But if you approach us with that knife, you're gonna get shot. You're gonna get shot, okay?
I want to get shot.
No.
I want to die.
Okay.
I'm done being here.
Hey, listen, follow my commands.
Shit.
Follow my commands so you're not gonna get shot. We're gonna get some help for you.
No, you're not. Leave me alone. I want to die. I'm about to slit my own throat. Fuck off.
No.
Yeah, you know. Please.
Taser.
Don't. I'm not moving.
Taser.
Hey, back the... What are you guys doing? Back up. Let's get some distance.
Back up.
Flores, let's get over here.
What the fuck are you doing?
Hey, guys, back over here.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
Shoot me, please.
You're gonna get shot right now.
Stop.
Drop it!
Thank you. Thank you.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Get on the fucking ground.
Drop the knife.
Get on the fucking ground.
Ground. Get on your stomach.
Hey, all right, I need a hands team. Somebody behind me.
Stop medic! Stop medic!
I am medic for an approximately 40-year-old male with 3 gunshot wounds.
Turn around! Start CPR!
We need to start CPR, guys. Come on.
Start CPR!
When Epple re-entered his vehicle, he had reached down and grabbed the knife off the ground. When he exited the car, he advanced on Officer Miranda with the knife in his right hand.
Hey, back up.
He has a knife.
What are you guys doing? Back up. Let's get some distance.
6 walks in, he grabbed the knife and he's back in the car.
Flores, let's get over here.
He's holding it against his neck. He disappeared to assist.
Hey, guys, back over here.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
Shoot me, please.
You're gonna get shot right now.
Drop it!
Epple's knife was recovered. Epple was transported to the hospital, where he later died.